Kids Word. Days of the week.
Sunday,
Sunday,
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Tuesday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday.
Saturday.
Great start, kids!
I like it.
Now, let's say it in Filipino or in Tagalog. Ngayon ay bigkasin natin ito sa wikang Filipino or in Tagalog.
Yay!
Linggo,
Wingo,
Lunes,
Lunes,
Martes,
Martes,
Miyerkules,
Miércoles,
Huwebes,
Jueves,
Biyernes,
Viernes,
Sabado.
Sábado.
Well done, kids! You're amazing!
Fantastic.
Let's repeat. Ating ulitin. Linggo, linggo, linggo. Sunday, Lunes, lunes, lunes. Monday, Martes, martes, martes. Tuesday, Miyerkules, miyerkules, miyerkules. Wednesday, Huwebes, Huwebes, Huwebes. Thursday, Biyernes, Biyernes, Biyernes. Friday, Sabado, Sabado, Sabado. Saturday. You're a fast learner.
Excellent.
Let's review. Sunday, Linggo, Monday, Lunes, Tuesday, Martes, Wednesday, Miyerkules, Thursday, Huwebes, Friday, Biyernes, Saturday, Sabado.
Fantastic.
Now, it's your turn.
I like it. Sunday, Wingo. Monday, Lunes. Tuesday, Martes. Wednesday, Miércoles. Tuesday, Jueves. Friday, Viernes. Saturday, Sábado.
Great job, kids. You're the best.
That's awesome! For more educational videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support.